My name is June Solomon, and on behalf of the Council of the Royal Family of Pingelap Incorporated, we welcome you all back as we continue broadcasting Pingelapese local news to you through our newly created website, pingelap.com. We do like to stress to our international viewers, if any, that this is a online Pingelapese local news broadcast, so we will be using our native Pingelapese language majority of the time. Mome po yung nagngaysak purong uyay kapingalaan si Msasi Kauno Kos pasangin sa pala magsantik sa si Mihpel po nakakanangkanan sa umaw the suwang eminent named Pohnpei candidate on Pohnpei State Governor Candidate Akillino Susaia ong tatok sa Luhk sa si ininakala mo sa si Menuyaw na November Isak riyagatay sa Galimaw. Mawalian di candidate Susaia nalapin siyakan Pingelap rano mes saklapalap na siyakan Wayne Pingelap Mwedinikas Paeida Luhk ni Iroir Laeng Iehske Iehsi Tawyara kapese o nga sa si Doahkaesa.
Khusus makasimpal kalian kasimpal juga banyak khusus mau penyedia sampai bisa berguna dan malah makan mereka berjalan kap tetap walaupun kaya
Sanganuwa masansal sangre candidate Susaia para toretaw kasan may tangian kakanwaya pukas sawas ang may Pingelap may kukusan po Wayne Pingelap malok na Wayne Sokes mant na Wayne Matalanim Guam Saipan Hawaii po Wayne Amerika talala na Wayne pagkaila masawas ansalme esas to kasan may tang candidate Susaia and kakanwaya epek sawas songre may Pingelap unik
may Pingelap unik na Matalanim malok Sokes taga naway sangaway lila po Amerikayo pa sangmeala toga sa mga sinamorki and Mwedinikas Akillino Susaia and kakanuya tatap tapeksawas ang remasiuras.
You can also find us on Facebook, YouTube, Tumblr, Twitter, and Pinterest by searching the Council of the Royal Family of Pingelap Incorporated or the initials CRFP. Again, we'd like to thank all our viewers and supporters for joining us today on Pingelap.com. My name is June Solomon, and until next time, kasalukumasiyunik.